Oh, babies, you shut in your crate while the big ones eat. Are we ready for this? Are we ready? Like we've never been fed. Come on then, out you come. Straight to the bowls, like they're starving. Honestly, you too. Reg has already cleaned that one out, Richard. You're not going to find anything in that one. Or that one, George. And you two were only fed at 2 o'clock, so you're not exactly hungry, are you? George, why have you got your paws in the bowl, baby? Georgie? That's a good boy. Take your paws out. Come on, guys. That's enough now. You're not hungry. I said, Georgie, there's nothing there, baby. You're not that hungry. And Charlotte, you've just been fed too. And as for you, Piggy Pig, all gone, all gone.